I'll zoom in. That greenish stuff, that's all Dill Pickle. Hello, Tiny Reviewer friends. Today I'll be reviewing Taylor Farms Creamy Dill Pickle Chop Salad Kit. Green and red cabbage, cauliflower, green leaf lettuce, kale, dill pickle, brioche crouton, which is a French bread which I absolutely, positively love, feta, and dill pickle seasoning. It's good. It looks like one, but I'm going to magically duplicate this package into two. Ta-da! It's not my review, okay? Alright, with the dill pickle seasoning. It's my favorite salad. It's like the best salad on earth. Daddy, this is not done line. Need scissors, please. Here is one. I'm going to turn this over. Here's the nutrition facts and ingredients, which is very simple. Contains egg, milk, and wheat. Price is $5.99. Alright. Let's tear it on the countertop, and then we'll start making it. It's a salad kit, so we'll start making it, and then we'll taste. It's my favorite salad in the entire world, but I've tasted a bajillion times before. But I'm reviewing it for your sake. See you at the kitchen. Here comes the salad on the camera woman again. Because you know me, that's something. You want a close up? Here we go. Goodness salad. Alright, zoom right back out. And then we'll start. Here comes the croutons, which are just not crouton like powder. Goodness, that's a lot. Good croutons. And here comes the feta cheese. There's some chunks, there's some powder. And then my favorite part, the dill pickle seasoning. The dill pickle. Alright, we're gonna put that in. You guys can't see that, can you? I'll zoom in. That greenish stuff, that's all dill pickle. And here comes the ranch dressing, which will always be the best because, you know. And that seasoning also has dill pickle inside it, so there's a double pickle seasoning. All right, we'll mix it together somehow, and then I'll meet you at the brown table for a taste. I am back at the brown table, and let's taste the salad. I'm gonna taste every part of it because salads are the best. And I love chopped salad better, so yay. My dad and I've already tasted this salad before. I'll give it a 5. This is a good salad. A very good salad. My rating is 5 stars. My dad is 4.5. Every bit is covered in dill pickle. Really, really good. Well, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and press the like button and meet me again on this brown table. See you guys again in my other videos. Bye!